Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the type of metal shears you're using and why it matters for feed and clearance. You clamp the sheet to eliminate movement, then align the scribed cut line to the shear's jaw. Once clamped, position your dominant hand on the handle and your other hand clear of the cutting path. Apply steady, even pressure to start the first inch of cut. Make sure to ease into the metal. Quick jerks create burrs and misalignment. Once the initial cut is established, focus on consistent feed rate and blade angle because that controls edge quality. You rotate the sheet gradually for long curves and make short relief cuts when turning tight radii to prevent buckling. If you're using power shears, modulate speed to avoid heat buildup. With manual shears, pause occasionally to reset your grip and assess the kerf. Make sure to guide the scrap away from the blade path so it doesn't catch or fold back into the cut. You finish by trimming any overshoot and deburring the edge to prevent cuts and ensure fit. A flat file or dedicated deburring tool works best. Once done, inspect the edge for straightness and use a hammer and dolly or a clamp to flatten small curls. If the shear binds or produces uneven cuts, stop and check blade alignment, clearance, and shear bolt torque. Fixing those quickly restores clean cuts and prevents further material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.